again. Come on in. This is Seoul. This is our room this time. We have a mini bar. We have all these capsules, and then you have some snacks that you have to pay, of course. And here, big bed, salt. And they prepare all the towels for you. And again, soba that I like. And then they also have the fish towel as well. You see? So, good quality, huh? And this one, by the way, is metal, it's not rock. I thought there's a wok. And you have a desk here in case our director need to edit our video. Then you can work here. And big TV, I don't know if anyone cares. If you want to watch TV, it's very big. And then come here. It's his and her sink. And then with all this soap and then toiletries. And this one. So you have the sink here where you go to do your business is here. Toilet. It's okay. We don't need to spend in the toilet for so long time. And come here. It's a big shower with a view. You see? When you shower, you can like, oh, look what's happening outside. Is it windy? And the big sea. Or you can see the sunset as well. And here, you see, oh, this whole set of epiphyta. You have the shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. So good, right? Unlimited. I think if you request, they can give you more. So you have the, this is called what? Forest shower, and then hand soap. Shower's done. Let's go back out. Here. You know what's hidden here? Da-da! Da-da! It's not here. Storage room. So you can hide all your luggage inside so that people don't see your mess. And then you have a wardrobe. Mess is here as well. Room is like that, and then you can go to outside. Dun, 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 dun. Come. Oh, it's about to sunset.